you see, Haley isn't allowed past the brown couch. But she has escaped. Haley? Haley! And you see when you call her name, she knows that she's not supposed to be over here, so she crawls faster. A little something I like to call already a troublemaker. Dixie, behave. Hey, where are you going? I'm coming to get you. Where are you going, Boo?